Many people ask the question about, how I run a successful team, what is different for me than other teams in the real estate space. And I, very quickly say I run it like a CEO. I make sure that the agents that are on the team are thought of, taken care of. They're part of the decision-making process. But more importantly, I'm not just out taking the cherry-picked leads and selling those leads because they're easy. I'm actually offering those to the people on the team. What makes a team like that different and being able to run as a CEO, it's a game changer for you, your family, and what you created this business for. One of the things is really important is building your systems around your team. So I mean by that a lead flow, a CRM, and an engagement loop. Me personally, I get these systems from Innovate, but if you don't have those systems available to you, you can definitely put those together, create a technology stack and integrations together to flow through the process. Another important thing is running as a CEO is to really know your numbers. What I mean by that is, you can go into ChatGPT nowadays and create yourself a spreadsheet. It's very easy to do. With this, you want to be able to track your lead sources. You also want to track, how much each agent on your team is producing, your expenses that are outgoing, whether you're paying some of their MLS fees as well as the marketing side of stuff. If you're using a transaction quarter, make sure that that's working out on your behalf. And again, the lead flow and systems, make sure it's a profitable business for you. I did a video the other day on creating 10xing the ROI on Google PPC, and it's very important to be able to track these things. The other thing is talent, right? So talent's a lot of things. It's the people that work for you, it's the people that work beside you. When it comes to the agents on your team or a virtual assistant, a marketing team, transaction coordinator, be very selective. You do need, what I use is VA for marketing, because what I find is people in the local real estate marketing, they want to handle several realtors marketing and things, and they also are very expensive and pricey with digital marketing and being able to put it on social media or help you build your YouTube page. So I use a virtual assistant for that. Closing coordinators for about $300 a transaction. Those are a good source until you get to the point that you might be doing like 20 transactions a month. You may look for that person that's just handling paperwork that's internal. And then the other thing is really, having future growth in mind for your team and what that looks like. At what stage is that going to be beneficial for you to go to the next level? Personally, I had a team of 12. Now I'm down to a team of 4 and myself, and it was great for 2025 for the simple fact market slowed a little bit. When I say market slowed, I mean listings take a little bit more time to sell, so there's a little bit more marketing and a little bit more frustration with the team with that. But really, taking it down to those 4 people, now I'm looking for 1 or 2 more to join because I have everything put in place for those agents to be successful and enough business to grow 1 or 2. But a lot of teams just think numbers is the way to go, and really it's not. This year we did 50% more production with a team of 5 than we did with a team of 12 in 2024. So some things for you to think about. Grow smart, act as a CEO. Don't just take the hand raises yourself, pass them along to the individuals, and have a great 2026.